I feel like this is not a category introduction of Bliss Club. This is a category creation at Indian market level.
As Indians, we have never had brands built for us. We've never had brands say that, hey, this is India, we need to build high quality products for India. It's always been, hey, some cheap products, get the price right and it will sell in India.
You see all of these actresses walking out of the airport looking so chic and stylish in their quads. We wanted to bring that out to the average Indian women.
We have 2 new fabrics being launched. This is the kind of revolutionary products that Bliss Club wants to put out in the world. Biggest ever launch ever.
Hence, all the products that we've designed are extremely stylish and chic while being true to what Bliss Club stands for, which is high in comfort and functionality.
So introducing to the world Bare Butter and Rib Supreme, part of our big launch, which is our travel category at Bliss Club.
These 2 fabrics that we have, Bare Butter and Rib Supreme, they have been in development for close to 2 years.
And both these fabrics are plated. Plating means we are attaching 2 fabric compositions together. So the inside of both the fabrics is polyester, which helps in moisture wicking, and the outside of the fabric is modal, which gives you a very luxurious and soft feel. And lastly, we have spandex along with these 2 compositions, which gives you stretch and makes it more functional for all your activities.
The Bare Butter fabric really designed to feel as beautiful as butter on your body. The sheen of the fabric is what I believe really makes it stand out.
It's very lightweight and hence bare, and it really truly feels like butter. I honestly in my life have never felt a fabric so soft and so luxurious.
It's very fluid and feels super soft against your skin. It also gives you a very cooling touch. So much so that you can wear this product even in summers and won't feel the heat on your body. And that makes the products very transitional and you can easily carry them in all your seasons throughout the year. We have 3 styles in Bare Butter. We have 2 pullovers and 1 straight pants. The straight pant has a dropped crotch which gives you a very cool look, and both the pullovers are differentiated in the terms of silhouette also and design features. One pullover is a crew neck and has a dropped shoulder, and the other one has a half zip and you can style it by opening or closing it and using it as a high.
Our second collection is the Rib Supreme collection, and at the center of it is our Rib Supreme trademarked fabric.
A lot of technology and thought has gone behind making this fabric the way it is. I'm wearing it right now. On the outside it's ribbed, making me look very sculpted and giving a very nice definition. On the inside, this fabric is plated.
So in Rib Supreme, we have 4 styles. 2 bottoms differentiated in the terms of silhouettes. One is fit and flare and the other one is a white pant. Both are high waist, and we have 1 tank top which has a princess panel coming in at the front, and also a jacket which has pockets on the sides. Both the pants are also differentiated in the terms of details. The white pants has patch pockets at the back and the flare pants has concealed zipper pockets on the sides. Both Bare Butter and Rib Supreme have matte finish, and it really complements the colors that we have chosen for this collection, giving it a very premium and luxurious look. Also, you can mix and cross style it across Bare Butter and Rib Supreme collection as a whole. So you can have different variations in the terms of textures also, and a little bit of play of colors.
We know that while you'll be traveling, you'll be always in the move, and hence all of our fabric is extremely moisture wicking and gives a very nice 4-way stretch.
2 years in making and with a lot of love from our side. I am so excited of what it is and I'm so proud of this launch.